I took around 5 to 6 months, I guess.
All
But
right.
meanwhile, I was working also, 8 hours duty, and I'll listen to the classes, I'll take notes.
All
Hello.
right. Congratulations on clearing your CAPS examination.
Yeah, 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 thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. How are you feeling right now?
I'm so happy. From morning, like I'm calling people, calling everyone, and informing just I have cleared the cabs and things.
Yeah.
Like parents are also so happy that.
All right. All right. Great. So, what are your plans for today as you've cleared the CAPS?
Ah, too many days. We were struggling, like I mean, keeping so much time for the studies and everything. So today chilling. Later,
All right. All right. All right. Great.
later need to
So,
plan
how
for the
did
next steps.
academically help you in this process, Mr. Prince?
Yeah, academically is the one who helped a lot because most of the questions which came in the examination was from the academically what the staffs or the faculty they have taught us.
All
So
right.
I would tell like if we are preparing by ourselves, it's very difficult for us to like stay on the track and get to know all the information about caps and everything. But from academically, like whatever they taught from the beginning till the end, it was very much helpful.
All right. Great. So, how long did you take to complete your preparation? As in your opinion,
Uh,
uh, how much time you have to prepare for clear the examination?
I took around 5 to 6 months, I guess.
All
But
right.
meanwhile, I was working also, 8 hours duty, and I'll listen to the classes, I'll take notes, and by doing so, it took a little more time than I thought. But if you're keeping yourself just for the studies, and if you're keeping, then I think 3 4 months would be enough to clear the CAPS examination.
All right. All right. Great. So, how did you like the faculty and the curriculum of the academically? How did you like it?
Uh, Yeah, it was very much relatable with the work I was doing here. I'm working as a pharmacist
All right.
in
Great.
Bangalore, so it was very much relatable. So whenever I'm giving some medication to a patient, I'll remember that that ma'am has taught me the same one, which is useful
Right.
like this, and it
Right.
has to
Right.
be used in this particular way,
All
like that. So it was very much helpful in the day-to-day routine also. And knowledge wise, every faculty had their own curriculum and the way they used to teach, and it was very much helpful and understandable.
All right. Great, Mr. Prince. It was really nice talking to you. Again, congratulations
Yeah,
for clearing your examination and best of luck for your next step. All right.
thank you so much.
All
And
right.
I
Thank you
hope
so
you
much.
guys will guide me to the next
Surely,
steps and
surely, surely. We will be connected. We will be connected until you complete your process.
process. Yeah, sure
All right.
thing.
All right, Mr. Prince. Thank you very
Okay.
much for connecting. All right.
Yeah, thank you so much.